Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and today we are going to perform the 2-year maintenance on my Model 3 in my driveway. This is it. 2 new air filters and a bottle of HVAC cleaner. So come along with me and check it out. To get started, we need to remove the floor mat from the passenger side of the car, and then we can remove the carpet on the right-hand side of the center console. To do that, just run your fingers along the edge, and it will allow you to release the clips. Just be very careful, take your time, and you will feel it once all of the clips have been released. It'll just come right out. Next, we're going to remove clips on the underside behind the glove box. You'll see 3 of them on the right-hand side, one that we've already removed, and then one just off camera to the left. We'll go ahead and remove those other 2 in view. You can remove these clips with your hands, with a screwdriver. I have a special tool if you're interested in using that. I'll have a link down below. You can pick it up on Amazon. Once you've removed the 4 clips, just gently pull down and the entire plastic trim piece will drop. Now that we have that plastic cover out of the way, it is time to get to the cabin air filters. You can see following along with that orange power wire just above it, there's a screw in a terribly tight position. I don't know why that screw was not at the bottom, but it is at the top. It's a T20 Torx. I'll have a link in the description down below that'll bring you right to a T20 Torx driver. It's good to have one. You'll go ahead and loosen the screw. Just make sure you don't lose it. And as soon as you do that, that cover door will come right off. Now move that power wire out of the way, and you can start to pull the filters. You'll see a white pull tab. Go ahead and grab it, and the filter will slide right out. Pull up on the pull tab for the lower filter, and then you can pull out as soon as it clears the opening for the door. That is 2 years of dirt and junk. Pretty gross. Yeah. So for those of you who have that musky, mildewy, wet sock smell in your car, this is the product you're going to want to use. It's called Coolit Evaporator and Heater Foam Cleaner. I'll have a link in the description down below for you. It's pretty inexpensive. You use the entire can and it takes care of that for you. You're going to put one end of the tube into where you just removed the air filter, and the other end will go on top of the bottle. I would not do that until you have it in the car because it will start to shoot the foam out as soon as you connect it. Now, I recommend holding the tube close to the end. You could see I wasn't, and foam went ahead and shot everywhere. So that's definitely not what you want to do there. And also, you want to angle it back so it hits the condenser. So you'll see what I'm talking about in just a second on that. As we get the GoPro in there for a closer look, you can see I really got the foam everywhere, but not as much on the condenser as I would have hoped. All right, go ahead and let the product do its work for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then it will completely dry up and drain out from the bottom of the car.
20 minutes later.
Now let's go ahead and turn on the air conditioning to a low fan speed of 1, and we'll let that sit for another 5 or 10 minutes.
5 minutes later.
All right, now we are ready to put in our new filters. We have picked up the HEPA filter from EV Tuning. I've got a discount code for you. You could check the description down below for that, and a direct link to the product. We actually already put the first one in and forgot to hit record on the video, so let's go ahead and put in the second filter. The most important thing to do is make sure that pull tab is facing you. If you put it in the other way, it might be really difficult to get that out of the car. Now, this is a tight fit, so be patient. Make sure you don't bend the filter, and just try to line it up straight in and push it straight back. Let's go ahead and get you in for a little bit of a closer look. Well, all right, that's it. Now all you have to do is reverse the steps for everything you took apart, and you are done. All right, so that is it. That is filter replacement on the Tesla Model 3. These are gross. They're also damp. So I'm going to put these down, go wash my hands. If you guys want to tackle a DIY filter replacement and pick up these really nice HEPA filters, I've got asthma, so I'm happy to be rid of these and in with the HEPA filter. Check out EV Tuning Solutions. They are 10% off with my code TESLATUNITY. I have to let you know, of course, I did get these for free, but I did pay for the condenser spray. I'll have links to everything down below for you. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a note. Until the next one, see ya.